I think the previous recording, I'm not sure if it got saved. Okay, no problem. All right. So have a look at this. I was telling you, always you will have a complex conjugate of each other, the terms in your expression. Okay. And whenever you obtain this, this is just the final answer. You have your real term, you have a real and an imaginary term in certain values. Some are just real values. The first one is just a real value. So if you want to plot the magnitude and phase of this, do you know how to do it? You can directly get it in your calculator also. All of you know how to convert it to your imaginary term. I mean your, in terms of your angle and this one. Do you know it? How to do it?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. In your, see, in your calculator, there is direct option for that. Okay. You don't have to sit and keep on doing it. In your calculator, if you just go to, suppose you have, go to imaginary. Okay. Press imaginary there. You have an option for imaginary. I cannot be showing it to you directly. All of you will just look into your calculator. Just look into your calculators. You must take your complex numbers. Suppose 1 minus. You have option for J or I in the engineering button. Okay. So you should press shift and exponential. Have you got, all of you? Or maybe I will do something. I will try to record it or something and send you how to do it. Okay. So that you'll be able to get to know. I don't know how to show it to you or else without. Those who have your calculators with you, press complex. Say 1 minus I. You on which button? On engineering button, you can see I or J. If you have pressed, has it come? 1 minus J or 1 plus J. Okay. In your math operation, you have an option to convert it to magnitude and distinct term. Do you have that? You can even put this on your mobile. There's a calculator app if you don't have the real calculator, just for practice purpose. For your exam, you cannot use your mobile. There is a this thing app also for this. On your phone, you can put and you can do it. If you're not having your this one with you. Okay, then you press shift and there is an option for convert complex. You have, when you press complex, it shows you r theta, displays the result in polar form. So you press that value. So it gives root 2 at an angle minus pi by 4. Are you all getting it? Root 2 means 1.414. Pi by 4 minus pi by 4 means it is 45 degree. Okay. So what you should get here is, for this one, the magnitude plot will be 2 comma 1 minus j is root 2 at an angle minus pi by 4 comma, the next one is 0 anyway, 0 is 0 itself. 1 plus j will be root 2 at an angle plus pi by 4. If one is minus pi by 4, the other will be plus pi by 4. So this value, this you can do it in your calculator directly. So how to do this theoretically is, without calculator, how to do this is, this angle, okay, suppose it is x plus y into j. Okay, this angle that you have to get, magnitude is nothing but square root of x square plus y square. Angle will be what? Tan inverse of y by x. Okay. So for example, let us do it for a simple example and tell you 1 minus 2i, for example. Okay, 1 minus 2i means just use this formula. 1 minus 2i. Just an example in the how to calculate it even without calculator also. 1 minus 2i. You will get this directly in the calculator. So according to this, magnitude of this is how much? Square root of 1 plus 2 square, that is 4. So magnitude is root 5. Okay. Angle is how much? Angle will be tan inverse of what? Y is minus 2. Minus 2 by 1. Tan inverse of minus theta is how much? Minus tan theta. So minus tan inverse of 2. So what is the answer for this? Root 5 at an angle minus tan inverse of 2. Got it? If you don't have, you're not getting the calculator thing, please make a note of this equation, this expression. Okay, put a star and write it down somewhere. But in your calculator, you have the option to directly do it. Just in your calculator, the things that you need to remember is, first thing is, you have to keep in complex mode. Okay. Once you press the complex mode, shift and 2 you press together. I am telling in the 991 ES calculator. Okay. Shift and complex. Shift and number 2. In above number 2, there is a complex kind of thing. So you press shift in your calculator plus number 2. Number 2 will have like this. CMPLX it will have. Okay. So press these two. Once you press this, you will get an option. What all options you will get? You will get polar form. R at an angle theta or something like this you are going to have. So you press your, once you have pressed complex, you can type 1 minus I or 1 minus j. After pressing this, next press shift and this, you will get R at an angle phi, this value. After you press this number 2, you will get the answer for this in your complex form. Got it, all of you? So 1 minus j means ideally you will get root 2 at an angle minus pi by 4. Or if you press SD 1.414, some of you may be getting like this also, at an angle minus pi by 4. Or you may also get it as 1.414 minus 45 degree. I doubt if it will come because you would have already taken radians. It's always best to keep it in radians when you're doing this. Mode should be radians, not degree. Okay? This is for your calculator what to do. All right. I hope you have understood this. Got it, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all of you practice in the calculator also. Those who have not understood, let me see if I can make a video of all this and just show it to you in my own calculator. Or I'll screen record my, there's an app in the phone also. In the phone also there's an app. Let me see what is the name of this. I can tell you what is that. Calculator Modern. Okay. CALCMODERN. This is the name of the app in the phone. Calc Modern. Okay, you can download it from Play Store and you can put it in the phone for the ease of access. But I would suggest you have a scientific calculator with you. 991 ES model you can download, or above that also is fine. This is the model that I have used. Okay. All right. So I've almost told you everything regarding how you need to solve. So here in this previous, we'll take this problem. This exponential term is called as twiddle factor actually. Okay, how to write this, how to extract some things in this, all this we'll see in the next class. Okay, fine, then we'll end the meeting. I think it's time for your next class. Okay, thank you students.
Attendance, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
yeah, I need to take the attendance, but what to do? Are you all there? Can you wait for just 2 minutes? Give me just 2 minutes. I'll finish off your attendance. Okay, 406. Not there. Today is what date? 15. This was 10th. This was 15th. Okay. 406, absent. 444, absent. 1, 2. I think many people are not there in the meeting. Fine, fine. Do one thing. CR is here. Both the CRs are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Could you just collect the names and send me for today? Because there's no time for me to take attendance.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, 1 second. Otherwise, I'll just take a screenshot of the people who are there in the meeting.
Yeah, fine. That's also fine. Have all of them joined back? What happened to this? Have you taken?
I'm taking it, ma'am. 1 second.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.